Just wanna say I love you, baby, even though you don't believe me. So I made a song to show you a true love that's not coming from my mouth. A true love that's coming from my heart. Listen.
It all started when I met a girl walking at the park with her friend, and it's the time that I'm talking in the dark. Cause I start to move on to forget what is the past, and I fell a bad days, so I think that is the last of my life that I love because it's broken me apart. But the girl that I met before opened up my heart, cause she helps me to reveal the one that I have made. She's the only reason to forget the love that I have gave. For the girl that I had mistake to love, it is a pain. For the woman that I want to share a love, it is a shame. But I think I'm in love cause she have came into my life, and the fortune teller said that she have came to be my wife. She's the only guy in life, cause she fits me like a porcelain, a beauty on her face is like a princess on a castle. Loving you is not a hustle, so I made to come for you. And you know that I'm a rapper, so I made a song for you.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you.
Dumating ang mga araw na laging nasa isipan ang iyong pangalan, kaya ka napapaginipan. At kahit na nagpilitan ka lang, ako'y mahalin. Kahit saan makarating, laging andyan ka pa rin sa aking puso at damdamin na parang mabibiyak. Sa tuwing maaalala ka, ako'y parang naiiyak. Di man tiyak ang tunay na nilalaman ang isip mo. Patuloy ka nga amuhin kahit sa panaginip mo, para malaman ang sukdulan na nararamdaman ng tulad kong iniisip ka kahit nasan ka man. At ikaw ang palaman ng tinapay sa aking buhay. Diyosa ng kagandahan na bumali ng aking sungay. Ang pag-ibig ko ay tunay at hindi magbabago. Pangako ko kahit kailan ako'y hindi manggagago. Ako'y hindi magtatago ng mga lihim na pag-ibig. Sana ay intindihin ang mensahe ng aking himig.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you.
Ngayon na ang huling ito sa mga naisulat, magmamahal sa puso mo, sana'y aking naimulat, para hindi ikagulat kung gaano kakamahal. Ako'y maghihintay kahit gaano pa katagal, till you will understand what is the love I'm trying to say. The real meaning of this rap I'm trying to date. And if you try to obey me, my whole life will be crashed. The love story of my future may begin on the trash. Kahit marami pang cash, hindi ko kaya pagpalit pagmamahal ko sa iyo na para bang pinagkait sa akin ng tadhana. At napili ko ng pagdaanan, pilit kong aakyatin walang hangganan na hagdanan. Just to show what is the effort that I want you to give. If you accept me, I can go away from the cave. And all my life that you saved is like shining porcelain. The only answer on my heart is the girl named Jocelyn.
Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, oh how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you.
Sana naintindihan mo ang naisip ako tulad ko. Even though you don't listen rap songs. And if you listen to this song, lagi mong tandaan, wherever you go, I will be right